as well. 15. Not a 15 indeed. 2x, ladies and gentlemen. Not gonna double up. 45.
So it's the 3 times. Nice, even better than I was expecting.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
The highest multiplier now is 120. Good luck. 30, no. Is that gonna be 120? Nope. 6 perhaps? Nope. 60? Question mark? No. 9? No, indeed. 90? Not gonna be 90 as well. 15? Not a 15 indeed. 2x, ladies and gentlemen. Not gonna double up. 45. Ooh la la! We made it to the last battery, which means 90x it is. Yes, sir. $1,077 winners. Special congrats on top finals. The round betting times are yours.
Again, good luck there, players. The betting time, final seconds. Auto play as well. It's available on Lightning Storm, and let's go. Hi, Benedict. Oh, miss you. Hey, but here we can play here Lightning Storm, right? So let's have some good Lightning Storm session. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here goes the next spin. Good luck. Use your magic hands, okay? Leviosa. Multipliers, 5 multipliers, segment 14, battery charger. Break agenda. Okay, let's go, Naruto. Come on, Benny, let's go, let's go. You're the best, bro. Oh, thank you so much, Ballon. Much love from Amsterdam. Thank you. And guys, we're having the Lightning Storm segment 17. Let's go.
Lightning Storm.
Woo, ladies and gentlemen, we got this. Woo, welcome to Lightning Storm. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, let's go. Let's pick that strike. We can go for the first strike, second strike, or the third strike from the lightning. Therefore, as well, additionally, you can get those global multipliers, was the 2, 3, and 5 for each strike. Alrighty, guys, the second's running out, so let's see the show. Good luck. Striking 1. Okay, we get 30 multiplied here. Good. Let's move up to this lightning strike 2. Ooh, global 1. Nice. So it's the 3 times. Nice. Even better than I was expecting. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Lightning strike for the second time. Whoa! 45, 30, and 300. So totally, this is the 375. Whoa. Lightning strikes for the third time, guys. Good luck. We get 10, 15, and 20. Totally for that, it's the 45 multiplied. Well, the lucky one for sure was the strike 2. Congratulations. Sweet, guys. 2011 winners. Congratulations. Mitchell, Caesar, CJ, you're the top winners, guys. And let's spin again. Good luck. Let's go. Wow, on the second spin, guys, we get the Lightning Storm here. That's crazy. Let's go for more great wins. You're welcome. And special compliments for those who choose that Lightning Strike 2, because wow, wow, wow. All right, but good luck for the next spins. 5 multiplier for the segment 5. With the battery charger is the highest one. And welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone. Come on, we need that 17 again. 17 again, guys. 17 again. This time is the battery charger with extra 3x multiplier. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. And if your bet was placed on the X-Chaser, then you're playing this round as well here with me. Let's go, guys. 150 multipliers, the max multiplier. Let's get these batteries. So which battery hold that highest multiplier? Well, 150 hold the second battery. Good luck. Not gonna happen. Okay. As well, the 8th battery having this global multiplier can multiply, well, the 30 and 60 in this case. Well, let's try to get maybe up to that 8 battery. But it's gonna be the 9 now. Alright guys, well thank you for playing the round. Congratulations to the winners. The first round, so we got 1,058 winners of the rails, U7, OVK, and Ducky. You're the top winners, guys. Congratulations. Well, we're gonna bet again. The betting time is open. Here we go. Good luck, dear players. You don't understand. What exactly, Robert, you don't understand, buddy? Guys, you can bet for these segments, okay? Each segment is gonna get that bonus game. You can bet for the Leave It Once One payout. Or as well, ladies and gentlemen, you can choose to bet for the X Chaser. What is chasing these multipliers from the wheel, or the Storm Chaser? What is chasing the Lightning Storm? Good luck. I know we was hoping for a bigger multiplier for sure, but okay guys, it's just my first minutes in the session. We're gonna have more good games, I'm sure about that. Okay, we got battery charger again, segment 3, good luck.
Battery charger.
Another battery charger. We're gonna charge our batteries again here. Hopefully it's gonna be really good battery. 75 multiplier is the max multiplier. Good luck. 75 cents in the last battery, 10s. But we get 40 now. All right, 40x multiplier, it's yours. Congratulations. Yummy battery. Okay, that wasn't so funny. 1,057 winners, congratulations. Let's run back to the reel. Running, wait for me, guys. But you can bet. Okay, you can bet. Mitch, you're welcome. Thank you for joining. Hi. How's your day, guys? How was the mood? How's everything else? Woo. How's the wife and kids? Or the husband and kids? All right, let's go for the next spins. Here we go. Good luck for the spin, ladies and gentlemen. 7x multiplied for the segment 19, where you have the fireball. Good luck. You trust me. Thank you so much, guys. But let's get more responsibly as well. And let's remember to take care of yourself, okay? Suspended Saturday work. So...
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.